Welcome to the PantherChef competition. I am one of your MCs for today. My name is Kendall Cottrell. I work with ASPCC as the Director of Legislative Affairs. ASPCC is your student government. It's the Associated Students of Portland Community College. And I'll introduce my other co-host.
Hello, my name is Trevor Witt. I'm the director of the co-op on Rock Creek campus. I'm here to help put on this event and inform everybody in the audience about food insecurity on college campuses. About more than 60% of college students are food insecure and have issues with food insecurity. I'm going to hand it back to Kendall really quick to explain who helped put on this event.
This event was made possible with help from Media Services, Food Services, the MC, the QRC, and the OISS. And we are about to go introduce our judges if you guys want to follow us over to the stage.
Hi, I'm Tiff Hayes. I work in the Office of International Student Services. I do international student life, so orientation, activities, student leadership. And our office provides all sorts of services and resources for students. We focus on international students, but everyone is welcome in our space. And we have advising, we have student leadership, we have referrals to different resources, and it's a pretty great space. Lots of people from all sorts of different countries.
Awesome.
What's up, everybody? My name is Makirusa Mac Perotasano. Folks can call me Mac. Use he, him, his pronouns. And I'm the coordinator at the Multicultural Center located in CC 231. Much like the Office for International Students, we also provide advising. We have peer tutoring and math tutoring. So if you're looking for some help in those subjects and the tutoring center is full, come check us out.
Hey everyone, I'm Sarah Hansel, pronouns she, her. I'm the program assistant in the Queer Resource Center, and we're a space for centering queer and trans students.
Okay, chefs, your time starts now. Okay, Jay, do you have any ideas so far of what you're gonna make?
I'm pretty stoked to make some spaghetti for our judges.
Nice. Now, Asma, do you have any plans so far?
Yeah, I'm cooking puri from Libyan cuisine. It's easy and delicious.
Sounds delicious to me. I can't wait to see what comes out.
Thank you.
So, Philip,
What's up?
what are you making right now?
So I'm just making a small lunch of guacamole, and then I'm gonna place them in tostadas. So it's sort of gonna be like a simple, quick, sustainable, and also vegetarian option, which I'm not gonna use any animal product.
Awesome.
That's pretty much what I'm making.
It looks delicious. Yeah, this looks like all sorts of stuff you could get from the Learning Garden. I don't know about the avocado, but the onions for sure, the tomatoes, all those peppers, the green onions. I think you could find all of those at the Learning Garden. Let's go see what Sunny's making. So what are you making?
I am cooking the pasta, but it's kind of like a combination, like Asian style and Western style combined together. And also it is a vegetarian option as well. So I already prepared everything, just waiting for the pasta boil.
Yeah.
And then I will saute these veggies to be a topping. And then the sauce for this cooking is this sauce. It is a secret, but later I will let everyone know.
Well,
Yes.
awesome. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop your plates. Nice, Jake. Last minute. Okay. I can pass them up if you'd like, so you don't worry about dropping them. Okay. Oh, it looks so good. Oh my gosh. I think. There we go. Maybe a take one, pass it down kind of situation. Okay, let me bring these mics around and we'll go talk to the chefs. Okay, Jay, let's start with your wonderful spaghetti.
Sure, yeah. So I think traditionally people a lot of times associate spaghetti sauce with spaghetti. I didn't go that route, did I? Instead, I decided that it would be a wise idea to really accentuate the taste of the noodles, and I wanted to elevate it, let's say, and I wanted to utilize, yeah, thank you, some chili peppers, and I got a lemon in there, and some parsley, and I think that, you know, the parsley brings some bitterness, there's some spicy from the red peppers. A little worried about that one, but I think I toned it down a little well.
This is from Libyan cuisine. It's called purik. We can make the filling for many kind of filling, maybe ground beef, chicken, mashed potato, but I prefer ground beef. So it has parsley and a little bit of eggs. So there's protein, carbohydrate. So I hope they like it.
Yeah.
Thank you.
It smells so good and it looks so good from here. Oh my gosh.
The noodle, which means long connection with family member and which stands for the long life. So I think it's the best wishes for my mom and for family, for friends. So I choose this cooking. Yes. And I think that's it. Let's wait for it.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
Thank you. Yeah, that's beautiful. You cruised through this competition. You knew exactly what you wanted to do. You made it, executed it. How are you feeling now?
I feel okay.
Still worried about physics?
No, I just feel like the avocados could have been better ripe. That's it.
It's out of your hands.
Otherwise, I'm pretty solid. I made sure to make one less spicy for one of the judges.
You got to know your audience. It's pretty good.
We have at least the first and second.
Drum roll.
And our winner, overall winner for today's PantherChef cook-off is Asma.
Oh my gosh, congratulations! Reminder, the first place prize is $300, second place is $200, and third and fourth get their very own crock pot.
There we go. So, Sunny, you are in second place, and Jay and Felipe, you guys take respectively third and fourth. But all the dishes were really good. We're super impressed. If you all ever want to cook for us, we're going to just welcome you into our spaces and share these delicious recipes. So congratulations to everybody. We thank you so much for your time.
Congratulations.
I have a brown thumb when it comes to cooking.